Stick around just a little bit longer. We head into the afternoon and into the evening tonight. We start to see a few showers develop, primarily for areas north of I-40 across northeast Tennessee and up into the higher elevations. This is where we could see the opportunity for some cold air in place and the chance for a few more snow flurries. I do not foresee much additional accumulation when it comes to this snow. Then we go into your Friday. Here comes our next little clipper system that's going to be sliding into the region, and this is forecast to bring in another wave of cooler air with the chance for a few more snow flurries. So really kind of chilly, more so Friday and into your Saturday, but on the backside of this system we should start to warm up as we go into the middle part of next week. We look ahead to your potential rainfall, and we're going to continue to see some pretty nice rain pushing through the area within the next couple of days. Moisture, rain, but also we do have the chance for seeing some of those in the region. For this morning, patchy dense fog is the #1 concern. We put our futurecast on a regional viewpoint into motion, and you can see a few more spotty light showers picking up as we go into the mid to late morning hours and into the early part of the afternoon. With some cooler air in place, we have the potential for seeing some of this light rain transit. Folks, we're not going to see much. This is not going to be much additional snowfall if we do see any at all in your area. Another quick clipper system is going to push through the region into your Friday. Similar story. It's going to draw in some cooler air. May see some light snow flurries up into the higher elevations. But besides that, accumulation does not seem to be a big part of our forecast. Rain showers, when we look ahead to the next 3 days, we have spotty showers that'll build today. Another opportunity for some quick little precip going into your Friday, but overall, our forecast is trending a little bit drier. And as we look at your snowfall forecast again, you notice where we have those darker shades of blues up into the higher elevations of southeast Kentucky, moving into southwest Virginia, and then right along the Tennessee and North Carolina border. A great start to your Wednesday. So for today, we are going to continue to see some patchy dense fog in place. We head into the afternoon and evening hours. And yes, we are tracking in the potential for some light precipitation, whether it's in the form of rain, a little bit of a wintry mix, or even some light snow. No major impacts expected on the roadways, but of course we'll continue to monitor this. We trend cooler into your Thursday. By Friday, we have another quick little clipper system that's going to be sliding into the region, and this could start off our weekend on a little bit of a cooler note, but we should warm up relatively nicely into the early part of next week. So again, some spotty light showers in place as we head throughout the afternoon, transitioning over to a little bit of a wintry mix or some light snow with much colder air in place. This is going to be how we wrap up your Wednesday into your Thursday. Friday, here comes another clipper system that's going to be sliding in from the northwest, primarily impacting again the higher elevations. We'll start off the weekend a little bit on the cooler side. We'll rebound nicely as we head into the early part of next week. Certainly beautiful to see temperatures back into the 50s and 60s. We want to transition now. Backing again, a few more spotty showers in place this morning. As the day moves forward, we'll see a few more little light opportunities for precipitation for areas north of I-40. This is where we could have the best chance of perhaps a little bit of a wintry mix, maybe even some light snow starting as early as this afternoon. And if we do have any of those snowfall accumulations moving in, we're expecting about a trace. I mean, it's not going to be much, folks. Similar story as we head into your Friday. Friday, we'll have another quick little clipper system that's going to be pushing into the region, and this is forecast to bring in perhaps a few more snow flurries up into the higher elevations. The weekend trending drier, a little bit cooler, but we should start to warm up into the early part of next week. Again, precipitation is going to be relatively light for those areas where we are tracking the opportunity for snow. This is going to be more so right along the spine of the mountains where we will have the best chance for some of that accumulation. We look ahead, watching the potential for patchy dense fog. Reduced visibility going to be your biggest concern. We'll have details on how long it will last coming up. Cloud cover is going to stay with us for a large portion of the day. We'll actually see the potential for a few more little spotty showers returning as we go into the afternoon and into the evening. Now, with some colder air in place, we're likely going to see the transition to a little bit of a wintry mix, perhaps even some light snow. Most of the snowfall accumulation is going to be for areas north of I-40 and then right along the spine of the Smokies. So that's where we could see again most of that snowfall accumulation if we do see see snowfall accumulation, we're talking about a trace, maybe up to a half of an inch across southwest Virginia. We continue to highlight the potential for a few more snow showers possible as we go into your Friday night and into your Saturday. This is along with another Clipper system that's going to be sliding into the region. As for precipitation, relatively light, folks. We still have some of those lingering showers in place even as early as this morning. And for snow, you notice where we do see some of those darker blues, that's where we have the most confidence of seeing additional snowfall accumulation. And most of this is going to be up into the higher elevations right along the Smoky Mountains. We could see some of this liquid continue to freeze over overnight. So again, just use a little extra caution. Cloud cover is in place. Some spotty light showers just kind of ringing themselves out across the region, where we will have the chance for what's going to be perhaps a little bit of a grayer and gloomier day. We will have, again, more spotty showers increasing into the afternoon. Colder air pushes in. That rain changes over to some light snow. Accumulation here across East Tennessee is going to be relatively light. And then another little quick clipper system is going to be sliding into the region for your Friday, also bringing in the potential primarily into the higher elevations for any additional snowfall accumulation that we have in place. Light precip, not going to see much more additional rain, as most of the rain for the day has really started to taper off, but it is going to remain gray, gloomy, just kind of soggy as we go throughout the day today. Temperatures will stay into the 30s and